Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter Unitary method, exercise 7C. All of you open your maths textbooks for page number 92. Let us see first question in exercise 7C. See here, there is a person A, person name only A. A can do a piece of work in 6 days, because people are doing work here and there. It may be the construction of a house or digging a well. Certain tasks are there, no jobs are there, no. So all these are doing by the people, So same way, a person called A can do a piece of work in 6 days. Then work done by the person A in 1 day is equal to, that is 1/6 part. 1/6 part. Let me tell you, total how many days of time required to complete the work? 6 days. Suppose 3 days are worked. Half of the work will be finished, no? Because the full work will be finished in 6 days. Full work can be finished in 6 days. If 3 days are worked, then half of the work will be finished, no? Then how can we get half work is finished? That is 3 days are finished out of 6 days. That means 3/6. 3/6 if we cancel, 3 ones 3, 3 twos are 6. 1/2. 1/2 is nothing but half part of the work is completed. That is the method of doing. If it is 3 days, 3/6. If it is 2 days, 2/6. If it is 1 day, 1/6. That's what I have written. Then work done by that person A in 1 day is equal to 1/6. 1/6 part of the work. 2 days, 2/6. 3 days, 3/6. 3/6 if we cancel, 1/2. 3 ones 3, 3 twos are 6. 1/2 work means half of the work will be finished in 3 days, because the total work will be finished in 6 days. Then half of the work will be finished in 3 days. 3/6, that is 1/2 work, half of the work. 4 days, 4/6. 5 days, 5/6. 6 days, 6/6. 6/6 if we cancel, 1/1 gives you 1 work. That is only the whole work or full work. Am I correct? So work done by the person A in 1 day is equal to 1/6 part of the work. Am I correct? Okay. Let us go for the next person B. B can do a piece of work in 8 days. Then work done by the person B in 1 day time, in 1 day of time, is equal to 1/8 part of the work. As we have seen here, 1/6 part. It is 1/8 part of the work. Is it clear now, students? Afterwards, work done by the person A and B together in 1 day is equal to, that means 1/6 part. Again 1/8 part. I have to add 6 and 8. LCM is 24. 6 4s are 24. 4 1s is 4. Plus 8 3s are 24. 3 1s is 3. 4 plus 3 gives you 7/24. 7/24th part of the work they can finish, A and B together, in 1 day of time. In 1 day they will finish 7/24th part of the work. Then then number of days required for whole work. Whole work means one work. As I said, one work means the full work. Okay. To complete 7/24th part of the work, A and B together needed 1 day of time. Then both the people want to complete the whole work by using some number of days. Then how many days they are going to be required in order to complete the whole work? That is our question now. That is nothing but this is one work. 7/24th part of the work will be finished in 1 day. then one full work they want to finish. For that, how many days of time is required? Is it more than 1 day required or less than 1 day required? Definitely more than 1 day only required, because 7 by 24th part is only finishing by both of them, A and B, that too by taking 1 day of time. In that case, if they want to finish the whole work called one work, definitely they need more than 1 day time only. Yes or no? So more number of days is required than the previous time, that is 1 day. Whenever more number of days are required than the previous time, that is 1 day, our view will be more by less number into that 1 day. In between these two informations, which is more? 1 is only more. So 1 will be the numerator by smaller value 7 by 24 into 1. That 1 is nothing but this 1 day. Here numerator is more value I have written. Why I have written in the numerator more? Because number of days we need as answer now. Number of days that are required by both the persons A and B to complete the whole work. We thought now here in the step. For that we need more number of days only than the previous time, that is 1 day. So that's why when more number of days are going to be in the answer, then our view must be more part by the less part, that is 7 by 24 into that 1 day is left. Is it clear? So then 1 as it is written, 7 by 24 changed as 24 by 7 to its reciprocal I have changed, into that 1 is changed. That 1 is written as it is. This numerator 1 I have written here, that ending 1 I have written in the end part. 7 by 24 changed to its reciprocal, that is 24 by 7. Then 1 into something will be 1 on that something only. So 24 by 7 I have written. Since the numerator is bigger than the denominator, I have to divide that numerator with the denominator. So mixed fraction we got 3 by 7 days. So in order to complete the whole work by both A and B, they need 3 by 7 days of time. To finish this 7 by 24th part of the work, they need only 1 day. But to finish the whole work, both the people A and B needed 3 by 7 days. Is it clear, students? So this is the method of doing. Last part also you have to take care to understand, because already this type of more part by less part like that we have discussed in the previous exercise also. Once you go through the given sums and complete it. Let us go for second question in the same page with the same concept. A and B, both the people are there in this question. Both can do a piece of work in 10 days. That means both, if they work together, they will finish the whole work in 10 days. Then another information, person B, it is B alone, only person B alone can do the same work in 15 days. That means if two people are appointed to do a work, they need 10 days of time. If only person B is allotted to that same work, same piece of work, he needs 15 days time. Is it clear? Now, work done by A and B in 1 day. In 1 day, 1 by 10. 2 days, 2 by 10. 5 days, 5 by 10. Total work in 10 days we said. The total work will be finished by A and B in 10 days. Then half of the work, if they want to finish, they have to work for 5 days. Am I correct? If they work for 5 days, then the part of the work that finishes is equal to half work. Yes, that is 5 by 10 gives you 1 by 2. That is called half of the work will be finished. Then 1 day's part is 1 by 10th part, as we have seen in the previous question. And work done by B alone in 1 day is equal to 1 by 15th part. Here 15 days no, 1 by 15th part. There 10 days no, 1 by 10th part. The question what they have asked is, if at all we want to appoint only the person A, how many days of time required for him in order to complete the whole work? That is the question given for us. For that, what I have done, then work done by A alone in 1 day is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15 we have to write. Why? Because 1 by 10 is nothing but work done by A and B together in 1 day. From that I have to subtract work done by the person B in 1 day. Then automatically we will get the answer called work done by A in 1 day. That step only I have written here. Work done by A alone in 1 day. Here LCM gives you 30. 10 in this 3 times. 3 ones 3 minus symbol. 15 2s are 30. 2 times. 2 ones 2. 3 minus 2 answer 1 by 30. That is 1 by 30th part of the work that person A alone can finish. 1 by 30th part of the work will be finished in 1 day of time. 2 days 2 by 30. 3 days 3 by 30. 4 days 4 by 30. Then 5 by 30 is for 5 days. Like that, if I go for 10 days, 10 by 30 work will be in 10 days. If I go for 30 days, 30 by 30. When 1 day's work is 1 by 30, 2 days work is 2 by 30. Then for 30 days work, 30 by 30. 30 by 30 if I cancel, you will get 1 by 1 gives you 1. 1 work means the whole work. That is, thus the person A alone can do the whole work in 30 days. Because 1 day is 1 by 30th part. In 30 days, 30 by 30th part. If you cancel, as I said, 1 you will get. That is only whole work. That only they said us to find. If we appoint only the person A alone to do the whole work, that means same piece of work, that the person A alone can finish the whole work in 30 days of time. Is it clear for you? Once again go through the video. If there are doubts, you just understand in the steps what are taught now. Then definitely you will understand and write these sums in the classwork notebook. Don't miss all these things. The sums what are taught, you have to learn for the examination. Either those sums or the same model sums can be faced in the examination. Don't worry, you should practice well. Exams are fast approaching. Okay, students? Okay then, thank you.